Oh, you're good. I'm just testing some settings.
Reach it. Gotcha. All right.
Well, I grew up quick and I grew up mean, but this
Yeah.
That already sounds a lot better than I thought it was going to sound coming out of the back of the screen.
Very smart. Very smart. So really when it's coming right here, you'll probably be able to see it. Here's what it'll be like. Just say go. Go. Will the lights be on prior to that? And yeah. I've not been with you. I've seen the video.
So they're going to play the same line over and over again until I get the drone shot?
Just getting a video of the Jeeps.
Are you?
Some behind the scenes.
Yeah, go ahead. I'm going to line them up all in the row.
All right.
Never done a show here before, but it's kind of a natural amphitheater. The audio sounds amazing, so
So fun, isn't it?
It is so cute. It is so cute.
yeah. That way you have a little bit more space away from the curb.
Yeah, no problem.
Sorry.
So, Messerschmitt.
80 miles a gallon.
Yeah.
So that was
Yeah.
and then
So many ducks. No, I haven't seen this right there. Okay.
1,000 signatures to sign.
Hi everybody, how you doing tonight? All right, we're really excited you're here. This is going to be a really fun promotional video for Eureka Springs. The Fossils are going to be playing like the same 30 seconds of the same song like over and over again. And your job as an audience member is to act like it's the first time that you've heard it and you're really into it. So, you know, like it's easy to do that like the first time, the second time, but like 6 times in you're like, okay, okay.
Just like give me a
One of these. One of these. I can do it if you want. Corn dog? Corn dog.